Hello student, Hemant Sir is here. So today we will discuss about the properties of the pair of angles which are formed when any transversal line intersect two parallel lines. Okay. So in previous video we have already discussed about the opposite angle which are formed when any intersection line or transversal line intercept two parallel line together. Okay. And then we have already seen corresponding angle, interior angle, then alternate angle. Okay, so on the basis of these different types of angle which are formed when any transversal line intersect two parallel line, then their properties. What will be their properties, that we have to understand now. Okay, so the first property says when two lines they intercept each other. Any two lines when they intercept each other, then the opposite angles are so formed are congruent. Okay, suppose this is the line L and this is the line M. So they are intersect at a point M, or we can say X, or we can say P. Any point we can take over there. Okay, so opposite angle means this one angle, this one and this one. So they are the pair of opposite angle. So when two lines intercept each other like this, then the angle formed between on opposite side are congruent. Okay, that means if the measure of this angle is 90 degree, then the measure of this angle also of 90 degree. Okay, so likewise we can say that when two lines intercept each other, then the angle formed on opposite side are congruent. Okay, so this is our first property. Next property says the angle in linear pair are supplementary. अब supplementary का मतलब क्या होता है? The sum of two angles is equals to 180 degree. 180 degree हो रहा है, that means तो जो एंगल्स है हम उनको बोलेंगे दे आर सप्लीमेंट्री. ओके, सो सी दिस इज द लाइन एंड दिस इज द ट्रांसवर्सल लाइन. दिस इज ट्रांसवर्सल लाइन. देन दिस एंगल एंड दिस एंगल आर सप्लीमेंट्री. सप्लीमेंट्री मीन्स द सम ऑफ दिस एंगल प्लस सम ऑफ दिस एंगल इज ऑफ 180 डिग्री. सो एंगल 1 प्लस एंगल 2 इक्वल्स टू 180 डिग्री आ रहा है, दैट मीन्स ये हो जाएगा सप्लीमेंट्री. ओके, सो यहां पर लीनियर पेयर कितने होंगे? ये भी लीनियर पेयर होगा, ये भी लीनियर पेयर होगा, ये भी लीनियर पेयर होगा और ये भी लीनियर पेयर होगा. ओके, सो यहां पर वन जो लाइन है उसके दो साइड में बनने वाले एंगल को हम बोलते हैं लीनियर पेयर एंगल्स. ओके, सो दे आर ऑल्सो सप्लीमेंट्री. सप्लीमेंट्री का मतलब क्या होता है? दोनों एंगल के सम 180 डिग्री के इक्वल्स टू होगा. ओके, सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट द सेकेंड प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ द ट्रांसवर्सल लाइन. देन वी हैव थर्ड प्रॉपर्टी. इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. इट सेज when one pair of the corresponding angles are congruent, then all the remaining pair of corresponding angles are also congruent. So we have to write here also congruent. So now we have to understand what are corresponding angles. Okay, so corresponding angles, suppose we have two parallel lines. This is line L and line M, and one of the line intersect in this way. Okay, then the corresponding angles are this one angle and this one are corresponding angles. This one and this one is corresponding angle. Then in opposite side, this angle and this angle is corresponding angle, and this one and this one is also corresponding angle. So when any transversal line intercept two parallel line, there are 8 different angles are formed. Out of them there are 4 pair of corresponding angles. So if one of the corresponding angles are congruent, अगर उन चारों पेयर में से एक भी अगर कॉन्ग्रुएंट है, then other remaining corresponding angles will also equal. Okay, so or equal, or we can say congruent also. Okay, next property. Fourth one, when two pair of alternate angle is congruent, then all the remaining pair of alternate angle are also congruent. So ये भी क्या होंगे? Congruent होंगे. Let's understand how. See, there are two parallel lines and any transverse line intercept them in such a way that the alternate angle are formed are congruent. Okay, so here this angle and this angle are alternate angle, and they are, if they are congruent, then other angles like this one and this one will also congruent. Okay, so if any one of the alternate angle is congruent when any transverse line intercept two parallel line, then all other pair of alternate angle will also congruent. Okay, so this is all about fourth property. Now fifth, it is last but not the least. It says when one pair of the interior angle on the one side of the transversal line, हम बात कर रहे हैं जब दो पैरेलल लाइन को एक ट्रांसवर्सल लाइन इंटरसेप्ट कर रही है टू डिस्टिंक्ट पॉइंट पर एट दैट टाइम, तो क्या होगा? इंटीरियर जो एंगल होंगे वो कैसे होंगे? कॉन्ग्रुएंट होंगे. और नो, दे आर सप्लीमेंट्री होंगे. दैट मीन्स उनके एंगल का जो मेजर है उनका सम 180 डिग्री का होगा. ओके, सो लेट अंडरस्टैंड विद द हेल्प ऑफ एग्जांपल आल्सो. सी, यहां पर ये वाले जो एंगल बन रहे हैं ये है इंटीरियर एंगल ऑन वन साइड ऑफ द ट्रांसवर्सल लाइन, और यहां पर ये वाले जो एंगल होंगे ये कैसे होंगे? ये भी कैसे होंगे? ये इंटीरियर एंगल होंगे. सो क्या बोल रहा है कंडीशन? व्हेन वन पेयर ऑफ द इंटीरियर एंगल ऑन वन साइड ऑफ द ट्रांसवर्सल लाइन इज सप्लीमेंट्री, अगर इन दोनों का सम 180 डिग्री आ रहा है देन इनका भी सम कितना आएगा? 180 डिग्री आएगा. दैट मीन्स वो सप्लीमेंट्री होगी. ओके, सो these are the 5 different properties when any transversal line intercept two parallel line or when two lines they intersect each other. Okay, so these are the 5 different properties that you have to understand, because this is going to use in our solved problem as well as in our practice set. Okay, so students, just repeat this video once so that you can understand each part precisely. Okay, so write down each and every point clearly. Okay, so if the visibility of the letters are not proper, then you can use your textbook also. So in your textbook page number 13 and 14 these 5 different properties are given. Okay, so write down now. Now we will understand the theorem, the first theorem of this chapter. The theorem first says interior angle theorem. The name of this theorem is interior angle theorem. Okay, so the theorem statement says if two parallel lines are intersected by a transversal line. So here we have two lines, they are parallel, that is line L and line M are parallel, and line N intercept those two parallel lines on a point, it is given over here. Okay, and their angles are formed are A, B, C and D. They are nothing but the interior angle. Okay, so interior angle of one side of transversal line is AB and another side are C and D. So these are the two pair of interior angles. So theorem says this interior angle on the either side of the transversal lines are supplementary. That means the sum of angle A and angle B is equals to 180 degree, as well as angle C plus angle D, their measure is also of 180 degree that we have to prove. Okay. So first we have to write the given part. So what is given? Given L and M, line L and M are parallel line. So line L is parallel to line M. It is given. And line N is transversal line. Is transversal. Therefore, angle A and angle B are pair of interior angle. Interior angle. And likewise angle C and angle D are also interior angle on one side of transversal line. One side of transversal line. Okay. So now we have to write to prove. To prove. What we have to prove? We have to prove angle A plus angle B equals to 180 degree, as well as and angle C plus angle D is also of 180 degree, that we have to prove. Okay. Now we will solve. Solution. So as we can see here, angle A and angle D are of 180 degree. How? They are formed by the linear pair of angle. Linear pair of angle से क्या हो जाएगा? Angle A plus angle D equals to 180 degree. How? Linear pair of angle, as well as angle C plus angle D is equals to again 180 degree by linear pair of angle. See, now we have to check the 2 or 3 different conditions whether the sum of angle A and angle B is equals to 180 degree or less than 180 degree or more than 180 degree. So हम एक्चुअल में क्या करने वाले हैं? 3 कंडीशंस लेंगे. फर्स्ट में हम लेंगे एंगल A प्लस एंगल B इक्वल्स टू 180 से कम होगा. लाइकवाइज एंगल A और एंगल B का सम 180 के इक्वल होगा. या फिर थर्ड कंडीशन एंगल A प्लस एंगल B इज मोर देन 180 डिग्री होगा, यानी सप्लीमेंट्री से बड़ा होना चाहिए. ओके. अब ऐसी कंडीशन में तीनों में से जो पोस्टुलेट्स हमारे सही आ जाएंगे वो हो जाएगा हमारा प्रूफ. ओके. और वो आएगा A प्लस B, दैट इज एंगल A प्लस एंगल B इक्वल्स टू 180 डिग्री आ जाएगा. ओके. सो लेट्स चेक. इट इज एंगल D. नाउ consider what we have to consider. Angle A plus angle B is less than or greater than 180 degree. First we can check less than. Second condition, or angle A plus angle B is equals to 180 degree, or angle A plus angle B is greater than 180 degree. So we have to prove these two wrong, then that will be correct. Okay. So here we have to write angle A plus angle B is less than 180 डिग्री। अब इसको 180 डिग्री है या नहीं हम पहले ये प्रूफ कर लेंगे। ओके, सो by this condition we have to consider one of the postulate of the Euclid. So Euclid postulate says if angle A and angle B are so formed less than 180 degree, that means angle line M and line L have to be intersect. क्या कह रहा है यूक्लिड का postulate? If line M and line L when they intersect each other in such a way that they form angle A and angle B. Okay, so here we have to write according to Euclid's postulate, when or if line M and L intersect each other in such a way that they form angle A and angle B, and it is possible when line L and M will intercept, then their sum is less than 180 degree. Then angle A plus angle B is less than 180 degree, तब वो 180 डिग्री का होगा। बट लाइन L and M are parallel line, they are not never going to intersect. That means this postulate is not applying over here. That's why it is impossible that angle A and angle B their measure is less than 180 degree. So here we have to write therefore but line L and line M are parallel line, hence angle A plus angle B is less than 180 degree is impossible. ये पॉसिबल ही नहीं होगा। ओके, सो नाउ वी हैव रिमेनिंग टू कंडीशंस. वन इज द एंगल ए प्लस एंगल बी इज मोर देन 180 डिग्री. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट कंडीशन, लेट एंगल ए प्लस एंगल बी इज ग्रेटर देन 180 डिग्री. अब इन दोनों का सम अगर 180 डिग्री है तब की बात है. ओके, सो हियर वी कैन राइट बाय दिस कंडीशन एंगल ए प्लस एंगल एंड एंगल सी प्लस एंगल बी आर ऑफ 180 डिग्री अगेन बाय द लीनियर पेयर ऑफ एंगल. सो इफ वी कैन ऐड ऑल दिस 4 angles we will get 180 plus 180, that is 360. So angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D equals to of 360 degree. Okay, see here we can write equation number 1 and equation number 2. So by equation 1 and 2. Okay, therefore we have to write this pair of angle A and B is smaller. Here A and B plus C and D is equals to 360 degree. ये पॉसिबल होगा कब? when we will add all these two equations, that is linear pair of angle A and angle D are linear pair, so their sum is 180 degree, and angle C plus angle B equals to again 180 degree, because they are linear pair of angles, that's why they are equals to 180 degree. Therefore we have written angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D equals to of 360 degree. Therefore we can rearrange the equation. Okay, so we can write that angle A plus angle B equals to 360 degree, or here we can write angle C plus angle D equals to 360 degree. See, we are transferring these two angles, angle A and angle B, to another side. Okay, so we can write in minus angle A plus angle B. Okay, and these two angles are less than 180 degree. That we have already proven that since angle A plus angle B is less than 180 degree, therefore angle C plus angle D 360 यानी 180 डिग्री से ज्यादा होगा. मेजर कैसा होगा? ज्यादा होगा. ओके, हेंस angle C plus angle D is equals to, or it is greater than 180 degree. Okay, so you have to write first, then we will move in next part over here, because space अब हमारे पास end हो चुका है. Okay, so first इतना लिख लीजिए, then we will move further. So after here we are solving our equation here. Okay, so what we have now? Angle C or angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D equals to 360 degree we had. Okay, and after that we have proven that angle C plus angle D equals to 360 degree minus angle A plus angle B. Okay, since here we have already proven that the pair of angle is less than 180 degree, since angle A plus angle B is not less than 180 degree, it was impossible. Therefore, we can say that the sum of angle C plus angle D will be greater than 180 degree, and it is not possible. And again, it is not possible. Again, it is not possible. Okay, अब ये पॉसिबल नहीं होगा. दैट मीन्स वी कैन सी दैट, और वी कैन राइट दैट एंगल ए प्लस एंगल बी, एंगल ए प्लस एंगल बी इक्वल्स टू ऑफ 180 डिग्री. ओके, सो अगर एंगल ए और एंगल बी का सम अगर 180 डिग्री से ज्यादा नहीं है या 180 डिग्री से कम नहीं है, दैट मीन्स वो एंगल का सम कैसा होगा? 180 डिग्री होगा. और 180 डिग्री है, दैट मीन्स दे आर सप्लीमेंट्री. ओके, सो और हियर वी कैन प्रूव ऑल्सो इफ वी कैन ट्रांसफर दिस पार्ट. सी, इसको हम और एक वे से सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. एंगल ए प्लस एंगल बी इक्वल्स टू 360 डिग्री माइनस एंगल सी प्लस एंगल डी. ओके, सो इन दोनों का सम भी 180 डिग्री से कम नहीं हो सकता, सिंस एंगल C plus angle D is less than 180 degree is impossible. Is impossible. So in that case, अगर इम्पॉसिबल है, इससे छोटा नहीं हो सकता, दैट मीन इससे बड़ा होगा. अब बड़ा होगा तो कितना हो सकता है? 180 भी हो सकता है, 180 से ज्यादा भी हो सकता है, 180 से कम नहीं हो सकता. सो ऑब्वियसली 180 या फिर 180 से ज्यादा होगा. और हमने अभी जस्ट प्रूव किया था यहाँ पर कि ये जो एंगल है इन दोनों से ग्रेटर नहीं हो सकता. दैट मीन्स हमारा जो एंगल ए एंगल बी है ये कैसे है? देयरफॉर बाय is impossible. Likewise angle A or angle A plus angle B is greater than 180 degree. Again it is impossible. Likewise that we have already proven. Therefore angle A plus angle B is equals to 180 degree is true. और यही हमको प्रूव करना था. दैट मीन्स वी कैन राइट हेंस प्रूव्ड. सो राइट डाउन हियर हेंस प्रूव्ड. ओके, सो स्टूडेंट्स, दिस थ्योरम इज रियली वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट बिकॉज ऑन दिस बेसिस वी विल सॉल्व सम न्यूमेरिकल्स बेस्ड ऑन दिस थ्योरम. ओके, सो स्टूडेंट्स आज के लिए इतना ही. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में.